This is Andy Totten with McHugh Construction, and welcome to this old high school. Today we're going to take a little time and run through some of the renovation work that we've got going on as part of the Phase 1, the renovation of Riverside Brookfield High School. This is one of the typical classroom reconfigurations that will be going on here as part of the Phase 1 of this renovation project. In this classroom, what you'll be seeing after this is completed, you'll be seeing a new ceiling in the area. Above the ceiling there will be all the mechanical ductwork as well as the sprinklers and new lighting and new electric to the area. In the room you'll see the walls will be repainted and there will be new flooring on the floor. In this room in particular, there'll be some new drywall partitions creating an office area in the center of this room and breaking this into two standard-sized classrooms. We're now in the corridor on the north side of the courtyard on the second floor. In this area, above the ceiling, we'll be getting new mechanical system that'll be feeding the rooms on either side of this with new heating and air conditioning. Inside the ceiling will be new lights, new sprinkler system. Now walking into one of the standard classrooms on the north side of the courtyard. And here you'll be getting new floor finishes, new paint, new suspended ceiling, new lights and electrical system, as well as on this part of the school getting full new mechanical system with air conditioning and heating. Eventually the entire school will be getting new heating, ventilation systems. But in this area it'll actually be connected as part of the work that's going on now in Phase 1. We're looking at the south face of the courtyard that's being infilled. The crane that's out in the front yard of the school is a 350-ton hydraulic crane. The size of the crane is more dictated by the amount of reach it had to have to access all the areas of the courtyard. The work going on in the courtyard right now, the foundations for the new music infill area will be completed today. On the wall, on the side there, you see all the rebar that will be part of the floor slab as that's installed in the next 2 weeks. Also going on in the courtyard, plumbers are in making their connections and relocating connections to the storm and sanitary systems. Continuing down this hallway on the second floor, north side of the courtyard, you can see the opening which used to be the ladies' bathroom, girls' bathroom on this floor. This will become a new data closet and additional storage space in the final configuration. We're now entering some classrooms on the west side of the courtyard on the second floor. This was originally 2 classrooms. The rooms will be slightly reconfigured so they have a different size of the classrooms. These areas will be getting new ceilings, new flooring, a new mechanical rough-in, and new rough-in for sprinkler piping. We're now looking down the south corridor on the second floor. The work in this area in these classrooms is limited to those north of the break between addition ages. These classrooms in this area will be getting the same as the typical classrooms, new ceilings, new lighting, new flooring, and then the preparation of connection to new mechanical and sprinkler systems in the future as part of a later phase. You can see in this room the area has been completely cleared. Existing ceilings have been taken down. Drywall is stocked and ready for them to build new soffits along the exterior wall for this new ceiling to tie into. We've been touring through Phase 1. Phase 1 will be complete January of '08 and the work will continue on for future phases through fall of '09. Alright, we are now standing on the ground floor of the courtyard. Work that's going on now, we've got plumbers working in the corner, we've got some demolition ongoing. The crew that's back in the corner there, they're breaking out a piece of an existing foundation that conflicts with a new foundation location. We are now standing in the existing, or the former music band room. This will be the new boiler room, as well as some other auxiliary spaces. In here, the abatement has all been completed. The area has been demolished back to bare walls, and they've actually cut the areas of the floor that's going to be removed, so the demolition of this area will begin actually still first of next week. We're now on the first floor corridor on the west side of the courtyard, the area that used to be student services. This is going to be part of the new band and choir facility. This area here will be filled with practice rooms and the offices. We're standing here at the site of the future auto shop. At this point you can see the building's been excavated, the foundations have been poured, site utilities, the underground site utilities are being installed now, as well as the backfilling on the inside of the inside. Let's see, in this facility there'll be a four garage door auto shop with lifts in it. There'll be a full classroom, as well as two handicap accessible restrooms, which will be available for when events are going on at the stadium. Thanks for watching This Old High School. I'm Andy Totten, and we'll see you next time.